In this video, I'll guide you through how to extract links of files in a Google Drive folder. This is really useful if you need to share multiple documents, images, or videos with other people, or if you want to collect all your file links in one place, like a document or spreadsheet. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and open Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're there, locate and open the specific folder that contains the files you want to share. You can do this by navigating through your folders on the left sidebar, or by using the search bar at the top to find the folder by name. Click on the folder to open it so you can see all the files inside. Now pick the first file you want to get a link for. This could be any type of file, a Google Doc, a PDF, a spreadsheet, a video, or an image. Simply click on the file once to select it. You should see it highlighted, which means it's active and ready for the next step. With the file selected, right-click on it. If you're on a trackpad, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding down a special key while you click, depending on your device settings. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options related to that file. From this menu, look for the option labeled Get Link and click it. This will open a small window or panel showing the sharing settings for that particular file. Here, you'll see a link that Google Drive has generated. This is the link that you can share with others so they can access the file depending on the permissions you set. Before copying the link, it's a good idea to quickly check the access settings shown in that window. You might see options like restricted or anyone with the link. If you want only specific people to access the file, you'll need to add them individually in the sharing settings. If you want anyone who has the link to view it, make sure it's set to anyone with the link and that the permission level is set the way you want, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Adjusting these settings now helps avoid confusion later when you share the link. Once you're comfortable with the settings, click the Copy Link button. This instantly copies the file's link to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need, in an email, a chat message, a document, or a spreadsheet where you're collecting all your Google Drive links. After you've copied the link for the first file, close the sharing window if it doesn't close automatically. Then repeat the same process for any other files in the folder that you want links for. Click to select the next file, right-click it, choose Get Link, confirm or adjust the access settings if needed, and then click Copy Link. Continue doing this for each file until you've collected all the links you need. It's a simple, repetitive process, and taking a moment to organize the links as you go can save you time later. That's all you need to do to extract links of files in a Google Drive folder.